Imagine a world where your spare change could grow into a lush financial garden. Isn't that a dream? Well, that's exactly what Raiz is doing for millions of people around the globe. But have you ever wondered, who's the mastermind behind this financial gardening app? Let's find out together. Raiz, a micro-investing platform, was born out of a simple idea to make investing accessible to everyone. Founded in 2016, the company quickly gained traction for its innovative approach to saving and investing. But who are the people behind this financial revolution? The leadership team. At the helm of Raiz is a dynamic team of financial experts and tech enthusiasts. Let's meet a few key players. George Cochran. As the group CEO, George oversees the overall strategy and direction of Raiz. With a wealth of experience in the financial industry, he's instrumental in driving the company's growth. Martin Kodell, the Chief Investment Officer. Martin is responsible for managing Raiz investment portfolios. His expertise in financial markets ensures that investors' money is invested wisely. Ben Richardson, as the Chief Technology Officer, Ben is the brains behind Raiz user-friendly app. His innovative approach to technology has made investing accessible to millions. The Raiz culture. The Raiz team is united by a common goal: to empower people to achieve their financial goals. This shared passion is evident in the company's culture, which is characterized by innovation. Raiz is constantly exploring new ways to improve its platform and offer better value to its customers. Accessibility. The company is committed to making investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their income or experience level. Transparency. Raiz prides itself on being transparent with its customers, providing clear information about its fees and investment strategies. Raiz's impact. Since its inception, Raiz has had a significant impact on the lives of millions of people. By making investing easy and affordable, the company has helped people build wealth and achieve their financial dreams. So, who runs Raiz? It's a team of passionate individuals who are dedicated to making investing accessible to everyone. Their innovative approach to finance has revolutionized the way people save and invest. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep growing your financial garden with Raiz.